All right, guys, today we've got an unboxing for a grooming tool for your beard. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings, and we've got a beard advice series where you guys can be featured in your own video. All you've got to do is send in a couple of pictures to me to that email address you see below. I take a look at it for a couple weeks and then you get featured in your own video. So check that out if you haven't. And today we're doing a quick unboxing for a grooming tool. This is one of those beard lineup tools. I had a company send me one. It was kind of in a big pack of stuff that had the combs and the brushes and all that kind of stuff, and it had some potential. So I actually reached out to the Cut Buddy. I don't know if you guys have seen. Several guys have done some reviews on those, but I think this was actually on the Shark Tank. As a product that they were trying to promote on there. So this one is interesting. I like this one for a couple of reasons, I think. I wanted to try it out. I wanted to do a few more grooming tools here on the channel for you because I do the beard advice series and tips and tricks videos. So I wanted to not get away from doing oil and balm reviews, but to kind of diversify a little bit more and give you some more pointers and some other resources for you. So this one is the Cut Buddy, and then on the back it shows you all of the different things you can do. So you can line up your cheeks, you can do your neckline. I don't have a neckline anymore, but I'll try to at least show you about that. You can work on that back line. I think you could even do part of the maybe your neckline and stuff in the back. So this one's actually called the Cut Buddy Plus. It says you can use it with a straight razor or a disposable razor or clippers. So I don't know which one I'll be using it with. We'll have to kind of see as it goes. All right, so here it is. And I have to do some research on it. So it actually has some markings for like measurements on it, which is interesting. It's got part of a little comb there. And I thought it came with a barber pencil. That was the thing that kind of, let me see if there's one in, oh it is. Nice. So it comes with the speed tracer, it calls it. So instead of just putting, I don't even know where to put it right now, but if you put it up here, instead of just kind of freehanding and this thing sliding around, I think what I can do is to put it up here and use the pencil to line it out, and then I don't have to worry about holding this and doing this at the same time. So that's one of the things that really attracted me about the Cut Buddy in particular. And you can always just buy barber pencils online from somewhere as well to go with it, but I thought it was a neat idea to go ahead and include that with the purchase of the Cut Buddy. All right, so I'll be checking out that and then doing a video or two about it. If it's something that I really like, I can recommend it for the guys when we do the Beard Advice series videos. All right, so be looking for that in the future, some more videos about the Cut Buddy. Thank you to the Cut Buddy, the folks over there, for sending this out to me to try. And guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.